Good morning. On behalf of Khushi Automobiles, I give our sincere thanks to the audience of our YouTube videos and welcome everybody to like, share our videos to your friends, relatives and groups to reap the benefit of the messages we are giving in our videos regarding installation of solar systems at residences across South Bihar and also North Bihar. Many audience has raised certain questions, and out of those, two major questions came out. I am trying to reply those questions for all, with again request to share this message as my answers to the questions to mass, to your relatives, friends and in groups as well, so that one and all can come to know regarding benefits of installation of solar systems at residences. Coming to the questions, the first question came, why should we install solar system at our residence? Very good question, very positive question, no problem on that, and I will be happy to answer these questions taking the reference of government initiatives on the solar power. While saying this, we all know and we all do pay electricity bills month on month, not at a decremental rate but always at a incremental rate, because in today's market scenario no product's price is going down. Similarly, cost of electricity is also not going down. Rather, eventually it rises with indexes, cost of electricity is going high at the rate per unit. In this situation, do we agree that the rate at which cost of living is going up and the rate at which earning is going up is matching anywhere other than the rich people? Probably all you will agree that it is not. So what we have to do? Somewhere, somehow, we need to meet our budget, and that also with our earning limit. Another paradigm of this question is both the central government and the state governments are striving hard to go for solar as an alternative energy, because traditional sources of energy is decreasing, and there is a forecast that down the line 40 to 50 years or so, this will be a scarce products to generate electricity as we are doing traditionally. So what option remains for the government? The option remains only to find out alternative source of energy. And solar system is one of the most important, most cost effective and most efficient energy which we are getting from the sun directly without any cost. You can ask a question, is it free? The answer is no. Because we may be getting the solar power or sun rays free of cost, sun being the god. But converting that sun power into electricity requires a system, and that is called entirely a solar system. So to install solar system, we require certain products as raw material, which are solar panels, inverters, so and so, which are being manufactured across India, and those can be installed at the rooftop or the tin shed or asbestos shed, wherever it is, to all the residents as much as possible according to the capacity. Another question comes, how much my house will be required to install the solar? Good question. My answer is, technically, how much power will be required and how much system can be installed depends on availability of the space at the roof or the tin shed or asbestos shed, whatever it is. Also depending on the current sanction load and also current usage. Giving these all together, total quantity required and total quantity can be given, can be identified, which in our language we say site survey. During the site survey, our engineers will go and he will find out, he will make a survey out and out, all parameters and dimensions, and will suggest to our customers how much is required, how much is possible. Next question comes, investment part. As regards investment, Government of India and Government of Bihar, to encourage the residents to install solar system, is giving around 65% subsidy at eminary rate, and rest 35% is to be borne by the end customer. Rest 35% is not a big amount, of course, depending on the size and capacity to install. However, it should be looked as investment, as I said in my earlier videos. Look at it as investment for long term and reap the benefit of almost free electricity across 25 to 27 years, then continue to go ahead. Another question comes, how to apply, where to apply, what are the documents required, so on and so forth. From Kushi Automobiles, I am glad to share that we have got registered with Bihar government, both South Bihar or North Bihar, for installation of solar systems at the residences of Bihar both south and north. And we being the registered vendor, Kushi Automobiles, again glad to say that maybe in January first week or so, or maybe earlier also, Government of India is going to upload an application form in their website. Sorry, Government of West Bengal, Government of Bihar. So, request is, once the Government of Bihar opens the portal, all the residents of both South and North Bihar will have open access to enter their details in the said form, and there will be one column as select your vendor. In that column, clicking that column, select Kushi Automobiles, and the moment you select Kushi Automobiles, your detail will reach us, and Kushi Automobiles will be happy to connect you immediately, as much as early as possible, maybe within 24 to 48 hours or more earlier. So these are the questions raised by many of audience. Hope I could make more clear. The benefit being free electricity almost for 25 to 30 years. Benefit being use your generated power according to your own wish. Benefit being take the advantage of given subsidy of almost 65% of eminary rate by Government of India and by Government of Bihar. The only issue remains is investing for future of 35%. And if you can invest it, and the difference between your earlier electric bill and after installation electric bill, there will be a huge savings. Request is, invest this savings in business or anywhere you can invest it. That will grow over a year on year, and you will find that you are getting not less than 30 times of return out of this little 35% of investment in solar systems. Hope I have made it clear to all my audiences. If any further question arises, I will be happy to answer to your satisfaction. Request to share this video to your circle, to the mass, so that everybody can take the benefit of government subsidy for installation of solar system across South Bihar and North Bihar. Thank you very much.